So hi, my name is Eric Pimentel and I'm from Ecuador, South America. And today I will be talking about submixes and how could you use them as a producer. So submixes are like secondary groups, um, a bunch of channels, audio channels, all grouped together in a single channel to make your work more easy. To make your work easier. So on your DW, you also have these submixes that are called buses. These buses can be used as sends that you can use from, let's say you have channel 1 and 2, and channel 1 is sent through the bus 1 and channel 2 is sent through bus 2, and we have a third channel on an auxiliary stereo channel that receives the bus 1 and 2. So you have these two signals, these two audio signals, uh, passing through the buses, and then the auxiliary channel receiving the two signals in stereo. So that's how you can use this submixers on your DAW. Also, you can use it as a virtual patch bay. A patch bay is something like this. So you can use it as an organizer from I don't know from channel. This could be the buses from channel 1 to auxiliary 8 9. So that's how you can use the submixes to organize. Also, imagine you are recording a song and you have 8 channels for the drums and 3 guitars, 2 basses, and 3 vocals. So you don't want to live with the whole bunch of channels on your session. Imagine you're using Pro Tools song. So you can create groups of the 3 vocals in one group, the all drums in one group, all the guitars in one group, and manage all these signals with just one fader on of each group. So you can um, use one fader for the guitars, one fader for the drums, one fader from the vocalist, right? You understand what I'm saying? So that's how you can use it on your DAW as submixers. It has a virtual patch bay, and you can use it as an organizer if you are recording a symphony or a song with a lot of channels. This is what you should be using to make your work easier. So now on your mixer, I have here a Mackie mixer that I will be using for my examples today. So we have 16 channels and 4 subbuses or submixes channels. So how could you use this 4 submixes as a producer? So you have, let's say you have your these 4 channels open, 9 mics for your drums. So you have your mix, this fader is here, this one is here, you have your own mix for the kick, snare, drums, everything, toms. So you have it. So you want to set that mix to your DW using your interface, but your interface only has 2 ins. So you don't want to first record kick and drums, kick and snare, then hi-hat and the ride. I don't know. You want the whole drums all in one. So you just send every single channel to sub 1. You can see this is 1. So you press this button and then pan to the left, everything becomes you're going to 1. So you have all these 9 channels in this single submix that you can control with a single fader. So this fader is using your patch bay from the let's say submix 1. This is submix 1 to your M box. This is our interface. So your interface in 1. This is from you just connect from here to here. So you have all the drums here going through a cable to here through your interface, and then through your interface to your DAW, so you can visualize what you're recording. And then you do the edit. This is how could you be using your submix if you have interface of only 2 ins or 4 ins and you want to record more channels. Also, you can use it here as an organizer. You have all drums in one mix and all guitars in one mix. This will be useful on a live performance. So you have your own mix for the guitars, then send it to a mixer and control it with through a submixer, and then control it with a single fader. So hopefully this class was useful for you. If I hope you learn anything new. So also I want to apologize about my accent. English is not my first language, so I hope you understand every single word I said. If not, well, anyway, thank you.